guys, it's Kenzi, and today I'm going to show y'all how I maintain my straight hair without heat. So as y'all can see in the front, it's a little poofy and I got some poofy parts in the back, but that's okay. It's going to be fine. We're going to get that straightened out. It was just a hot day that day. It's been getting real hot, like super hot. So the first thing I do is comb my hair, and I be combing my hair a lot because like it's really relaxing and soothing, you know. It's like a little massage because you can feel that directly on your scalp and it feels great. So I really just comb my hair for a long time. But I also do it to just like straighten everything out and get everything all in order, you know. So the next thing I use is some peppermint oil, and I just massage my scalp with that. I've been using peppermint oil specifically because, you know, it's a light oil, it's really refreshing, it gives you like a nice little airy feeling. So I just thought, why not use this while my hair's straight? I feel like it's a perfect time to do lots of scalp massages. As you can see, I was zoning out and staring into space. Cause them scalp massages feel so good. Especially when you've been working a lot and you get a nice little scalp massage. Like scalp massages hit different. Especially when you like getting your hair washed and they start doing that thing with their fingers. Yes sir, OMG, that feels so great. When I was getting my hair straightened, the lady started doing that and I was just like, ooh, don't stop please. So after that, I just started wrapping my hair around. And I'm not gonna lie, when I started wrapping my hair up again, I was like low-key a little confused. Like, I forgot how to do it. And the hair was falling out, so I'm like, do I bobby pin it? What do I do? But I mean, obviously I got it now. But yeah, I really just wrap my hair around and I want it to be like as smooth as possible. It's not gonna be like pitch perfect. Pitch perfect. It's not gonna be like silky smooth, perfy. But I mean, I do comb it out to the best of my ability, so it's like as flat as possible and as good as possible. So as y'all can see now, I'm taking some bobby pins and I'm putting it in the places where it needs to be so it could be held up right, and so I don't have as much hair falling out and everything can stick up together. So after that, I'm taking my scarf, my little silky blue scarf, and I'm just about to wrap that around my head. Obviously, because what else was I gonna do? I mean, I could have put some rain wrap over it now that I think about it, but I thought that was just after you like directly got your hair straightened. Anywho, I just wrapped that around my head, tied up all nice and tight and whatnot. And then after that, I take my bonnet and I put it on top of that. Some people just wear scarves, but I feel like it's smarter to wear a scarf and a bonnet. So now this is the next morning, and I'm simply gonna take everything off as I should, because how you gonna see that hair? But y'all see how it's like silky smooth. It looks silky good, silky straight, silky boom boom. Okay, maybe not silky straight because it's not as silky, it's a little rougher. But y'all get what I'm trying to say. For not using any heat, we big popping, you feel me? Honestly, my eye bags are just god awful. Like, what the heck is going on with my eyes? I mean, it does make a little bit of sense because I have been staying up a little later and having to get up earlier to go work out. I've been getting up real early to go work out, but I'm gonna have to take care of that soon because woo! So once I get done combing that all out, I take my little mirror and I'm about to do a little something to the front of my head. Because as y'all can see, that other side was like poofy. Like one side was silkier than the other side. So I just decided that I was just gonna lay the front half down, like how I do with my natural hair. I mean, if you don't know what I do with my natural hair, you should go watch my other videos, you know, but yeah. So I'm just going to lay the front half down. Well, not the front half, but like the front third, front fourth. I don't even know. But I'm gonna just lay that part down so it just looks a little bit neater. And I was really struggling on this part. I mean, I probably should have used the other end of this comb and not the end I was using, because I use that end when I'm using my natural hair, and it does pretty good. But as you can see, I was struggling with the straight hair. So once I figured the part out, I pulled the rest of my hair back and I took Murray's hair pomade and I just used that to slick it down. I could have did better slicking this down, and as the days went on, my hair slicked down easier, but it took some time because my hair was straight. And it's not even that my hair was straight, it just always takes me a minute to like lay my hair completely down, because there'll be parts that laying down and then like little parts that are sticking up, like little, not holes, but holes, if you understand what I'm saying, you know, like just not laying flat down. So that took me a little bit of time, you know, and it didn't even come out perfect, and it took me a minute, but it's fine, because as the days went on, it got better and it looks better and it looks slicker. So I mean, it's whatever, but it still looks super duper cute. So once I got that all straightened out, I just put my hair over the bobby pin parts and just made it look cute, you know, like a little Barbie. I don't even know if that's the right character I'm looking for. I don't think it's Bratz. I think it's Barbie. I think I'm looking for Barbie. I think that's what I'm thinking of is Barbie. Not Bratz, whatever. But I just start fluffing my hair up, making it look all cute or whatever. And I just think it was super duper cute. Like, I took some really cute pictures. It looks good. I looked great that day. It was like my little graduation night. It looks amazing. I'm gonna put a picture in. I'll probably use a picture as my thumbnail. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but you know. Hee. And that is how I kept my hair straight without using any heat. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.